Good evening. Today is Sunday, January 7, 2024, and here are the 7 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Store 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for January 7, 2024, Sunday. Here are the SL Store 3 7 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Sunday, January 7, 2024. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of Sunday, January 7, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.